Man, I feel like going to school today.
Yeah. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good. Waiting for the bus?
Yep.
Yeah. Ready for that test today?
Nope.
Nah, not me either. You got a toe taco ball?
Yeah, sure. Let me check.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thanks. A teacher might make it correct that answer if you got came from a correct way.
No, I'm sure. Just got a new pack. Here you go.
Thanks. I got an art exam later on. I need some Crayolas and stuff to color with.
You got some pencils and markers.
Yeah, no, I think that'll do.
Is that good?
Yeah. Thanks.
Alright.
I'm gonna need paper to draw my pictures on so my teacher can evaluate me. That's what I can use.
How much?
Handful, I guess.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, I think that worked fine. My English teacher was making me draw note cards. And I was wondering how to do can I borrow something to put my vocab words on?
Sure. Here you go. Good.
Do you have any Uno cards to play with in case I get bored? Study hall, instead of falling asleep.
I know what you mean.
Yeah,
You know what you mean?
you understand.
Sure. Hold on. Here you go.
Ooh, you're the best. I mean,
No problem.
I got free lunch, and I miss breakfast coming to get the bus. Got a snack I can eat on.
Let me check. Yeah, Mom has lunch today.
Oh,
There you go.
thanks. I got all this stuff. I don't have nothing to carry in there. Do you have a backpack I can use or something?
I don't need this. There you go.
Thanks, man. That's real nice, man. Real nice. Thank you.
Just a problem.
Got one more question to ask. See, I ran up here because I thought I was going to be late for the bus and kind of left the house without something.
Yeah.
So you think I could borrow your shoes?
I
think they're my size. I think I can fit.
Sure.
Oh, thanks, man.
There you go.
You're the best.
Got my track shoes in my locker.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Mom. My name is Marcus.
My name is Dexter.
Thanks, Dexter, for letting me use the stuff.
No problem, bro.
All right, man. See you later.